Howdy folks. Today I'm going to show you how to trace this switch to the breaker. They're not marked, and so I don't want to have to turn breakers on and off just to find this particular breaker for this switch. I do have a tracer that I'm going to use, and I'll show you how that works. I can plug a radio into one of these outlets that are close to this, but that's not going to tell me if it's connected to this switch. So it saves me trips back and forth from the panel, and I'm going to do this on my own, and so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here's my tracer. This one gets plugged into the outlet. In this case, I'm going to put this little outlet into the socket of the lamp, and then I'm going to take this tracer detector out into the panel and show you how that works and detects it. Okay, so this is the fan light that I want to work on, and I'm going to take this light globe off and screw that outlet into this socket. Okay, so basically turn your lamp off and just screw this into the socket, right, just like that. Then I'm going to take, this is it's a transmitter, and so I'm going to screw that in. It's not on yet. Okay, I flipped the switch, and now you can see that little red light indicates it's working. Alright, so now we're going to go out to the panel, and I'll show you what to do there. Okay, now we're at the panel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this thing on. You can hear that signal, right? And once you put it up there, it's going to start chirping just like that, right? And so you want to back off of that until you're down see, it's picking up too many of them. That one's getting excited, so let's back off a little bit on these others, and then we'll go across that one. And it looks like that's the one there. Perfect. Okay, so let's turn that one off. And we'll go inside and see if it worked. Okay. The transmitter's off, and it looked like it worked perfect. So remember, when you've got that dial and it starts chirping on you, just keep backing it off until it just chirps on just the one circuit breaker, and you know that you found it. But it's always good that once you start bearing wires, if this fan was to come down, make sure that you test with your wire tester, just to double make sure that it's not live yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget, I'm going to be doing other videos on other simple projects around the house. Thanks.